again.
Stephanie, she's right behind you. I noticed that.
We're back, united again.
Back united. we got lost for a little bit. Julissa, who sings that song?
I don't know.
Well, let's let them.
Peaches and herbs.
Let's let them sing it, okay?
I need to give me.
Yeah.
I still haven't got me a ring to match my nails.
Not a problem.
Huh?
It's not a problem.
I know, but I want one.
Oh my God, we have to have a ring to match our nails. Just like Stephanie, oh my God, this would match my purse. Oh my God. White people, I swear.
I know, I swear to God.
I swear, white people named Stephanie. Look at her walk away. I don't know. K-O-R-S. That sound good? I didn't sound good. K-O-R-S. 5.
Yeah, I think that's what
It's 5 o'clock.
Yeah, they close at 5, I think. Oh, there she is. I didn't get that. Can you do it again?
While I was walking, that's talented.
No, that's no. That's just called a whore.
Lady Madison, your shoe is untied. You're gonna fall down. Lady? Yeah. I'm gonna get one of those.
Hey, Issa.
Issa, she's trying to talk to you. What?
I want to put my face.
Oh, what?
No, I am out.
What does she want?
I want to put my face.
You don't buy it.
She wants to paint her
She wants a face painting.
Okay, come on. Hold on to the stroller.
No.
Yeah,
That's just scary. I'm surprised my camera didn't break.
I know, right? Probably the earth doesn't fight when I walk.
This is gonna look really weird.
Look at this one. Yeah, because it's your face.
Oh, ha, ha, no weirder than yours.
Yeah, I know. Hey. Oh, shit. Stroller.
What are we gonna do with her?
I don't know. Lock me up somewhere?
In a mental institution?
No, something worse.
Something worse? Prison? Are you a pedophile?
No.
Are you a pedophile?
Maybe.
Look at Julissa all the way back there.
Those are so cute.
Okay, just sit there.
I already have a little brownie. I have a little boy.
It's Zachary. Ah,
Oh, peanut.
a peanut.
Popcorn?
What? Popcorn. What's that? Those shoes. Those are so cute.
Oh, no, I wanted to get these for Chris and Tiffany.
Aww.
Look at that. They're so cute. Like
Dang, they don't even fit on my screen. That's okay, neither do mine.
not kids, please. They're different, I think.
Julissa, it's your song. Those are cute.
It's just one strap.
But I want to watch it.
Those are cute. Boo.
Y'all be careful.
You put that on YouTube, so
I am. It's going on the internet. I think I'll name it A Night in Paris.
a night in Paris.
Our videos are going to be called A Night in Paris 1 and A Night in Paris 2.
Oh god.
Shoe fitting. Yeah. Wrong foot. No, it ain't. Alright. God, son, your foot is so big. Wait, is there... I did not forget to take the cardboard out. Don't even. Smart, huh? This is what I have to put up with. Hey. She forgot to take the cardboard out of the shoe and was like, why is this not fitting? It still won't fit. Damn, son, shrink your foot. Did you hear him? No, what did he say? This is too small. Maybe he is a 6. Just not in boots.